This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Cooling system servicing. Cooling system draining. Apply the parking brake. As an additional safeguard, chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Raise the front of the vehicle with a floor jack positioned under the subframe. Place the jack stands under the reinforced portion of the unibody seam. Then lower the jack. Remove the under-vehicle splash shield. Place a drain pan under the radiator drain plug located in the center of the radiator lower tank. Then unscrew the drain plug. Remove the radiator cap, then allow the coolant to drain completely. Install the drain plug and tighten it securely. Raise the car with the floor jack, then pull the jack stands out and slowly lower the car. Remove the chocks from the rear wheels. Cooling system filling. Install a radiator funnel or equivalent into the radiator filler neck. A standard funnel will do if you don't have access to a radiator funnel setup. Fill the system with coolant until it is at the bottom of the radiator filler neck. When it's full, remove the funnel and reinstall the radiator cap. The overflow bottle marked with the word coolant on the lid should be filled to 1/2 inch above the low level. Place the heater temperature control in the maximum heat position, then start the engine. Raise the engine speed to approximately 2500 RPM until the radiator fan comes on 2 times. Then shut it off and allow it to cool down before rechecking the fluid level.